Nothing. Phone 2A, the company's third smartphone, is all set to become official tomorrow. Nothing Phone 2A packaging boxes are very small and looks awesome. Nothing also revealed the official look a few days ago. On the table before us is a spread of dummy devices, representing the evolution of Phone 2A. As before, the new phone has a very different approach to case design. Nothing's signature transparency adds another layer of design. Phone 2A come with a black and white color on the back, which give this phone a very unique look. The 3 glyph LEDs and the lack of wireless charging. The dual camera setup on the rear panel, Samsung ISOCELL S5KG9 50 megapixel primary camera, and the secondary ISOCELL JN1 50 megapixel for clicking ultra-wide images, and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro chipset, and this will be paired with 12GB RAM and 8GB virtual RAM support. Out of the box, the smartphone will run on the Nothing OS 2.5.2, based on Android 14. The Nothing Phone 2A will indeed come with a 6.7-inch FHD Plus AMOLED screen that supports a 120Hz refresh rate. Powering the smartphone will be a 5000 mAh battery that supports 45W wired charging. The device should weigh 190 grams. We can also confirm that the phone will feature NFC, an AI wallpaper generation feature, and carry an IP54 water and dust resistance rating. The starting price of Phone 2A will be under Rs 23,999 in India. According to a past rumor, the 128GB version will be priced at $349, while the model with 256GB will go for $399. Let me know in the comments below your thought. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.